going to be going through with you now a mindful eating exercise, and what you're going to need for this eating exercise is a raisin. So you might want to stop the video now, go and grab a raisin if you have one, or if you have something similar to a raisin or anything really that you can eat, you can have a go at this mindful eating exercise, which really is about slowing down the process of eating, really noticing what's going on. And how we can first do that is really by taking our time and going through the senses. So to begin with, if you would take a raisin and place it just in the palm of your hand. So we're not eating the raisin yet, we're just placing it in our hand and we're just looking at it. Now you may notice, the first thing you might notice is your reaction to the idea of eating a raisin. So for some of you that may be, this is delicious, or it could be, disgusting, a raisin, or it could be something in between. But all of those things are just simply thoughts, are they not? But it's just about just simply noticing at first your reaction. That's all we're doing. Perhaps even noticing the body response to the idea that you're going to eat something. So the body does respond in lots of different ways. So perhaps just taking a moment just to notice what's going on in your body as you hold a raisin and you look at it. Perhaps noticing at first just the weight of your raisin, how it feels in your hand. So when you move it around just against your skin on the palm of your hand, just noticing how it feels, the sensation of your raisin, perhaps lifting it up to your fingertips and just feeling it, perhaps even closing your eyes and just really feeling the raisin, all the little grooves and bumps. What do you miss most of the time when you just pile in a handful of raisins if you like them? I should say before I do this, if you are allergic to a raisin, please stop now and don't proceed any further and choose something that you are not allergic to. If you are fine, please proceed with looking at your raisin. So just studying your raisin, imagining that you had never seen a raisin before. Maybe you were from a raisinless planet. You're an alien from a raisinless planet and you've just popped down to Earth and you've been presented with this strange looking object. What does it really look like? So moving past all your preconceived ideas about raisins and what they look like, what does it actually look like? What is the colour of your raisin? What are the colours, I should say? If someone was to take your raisin away now and put it in a box of other raisins, would you be able to find your individual raisin? That would be a challenge, I'm sure. But could you do it? Looking at all of these grooves and bumps, thinking perhaps a little bit about where your raisin has come from, its history, the journey that it took to reach your hand. So just moving on to now your hearing. Does your raisin have a sound? When you place it close to your ear, mine has a sound if I squidge it. And would you know that squidging raisin noise again? If you were to hear it again, would you go, oh, that is a squidging raisin? That is a raisin being squidged, undoubtedly. Okay. And now just smelling your raisin. So taking the time just to place it very gently, just in front of your nostrils. And just taking a few gentle breaths. Just observing yourself when you smell the raisin. Now, often our sense of smell is connected to our emotions, and also our memories are often really accessed through sense of smell. It's quite powerful. So perhaps noticing if memories do come up, with the emotions connected to this smell. And just simply observing them, if you can, in a mindful way, rather than allowing yourself to get lost and go away with this memory. Can you just simply observe it and then bring yourself back to the raisin, to the present moment? So now just taking the time to just place the raisin very gently on your lower lip. Just noticing what that's like, having it just touching your lower lip. Noticing the difference between feeling it against your hand and fingers to feeling it against your lip. Maybe even noticing your body beginning to prepare your mouth for food. Could something be going on with your body right now? And now we're going to place the raisin in our mouths, but don't bite it just yet. Just place it very gently on your tongue. And now I'm going to have to talk with the raisin in my mouth. So just noticing first the feeling of your raisin in your mouth. Perhaps moving it around your mouth a little bit, feeling it against your tongue, the roof of your mouth, your teeth. Just what does it feel like? And perhaps allowing yourself to bite just the very tiniest edge of your raisin. Taking a bite, noticing what it's like to bite, how your body moves when you take a bite. And that first taste, what do you notice? And now, proceeding with this, just at your own pace, I'd like you to really gently begin chewing your raisin until you decide that you're going to swallow, and stop just for a moment before you decide to swallow and consciously swallow the raisin. Perhaps noticing what it's like when the raisin begins to move down your throat, the sensations going on there. Noticing if you can get some sense of where the raisin still is in your body. And the connectedness now, in a strange way, between you and the raisin. That you are connected now. That the raisin is within you. You're one whole raisin heavier than you were before. And now thinking about the aftertaste of the raisin. Just noticing how it feels in your mouth still. If you can still get some sense of that raisin. And again, just checking in with your thoughts and your feelings. perhaps noticing how you feel emotionally right now. How you feel in your body, noticing your breathing. And perhaps taking the time now just to think about your experiences, perhaps jotting down some interesting observations that you've made. Thank you for joining me on this Raisin meditation. I hope you enjoy the session and you will experiment more with mindful eating, slowing down. You really can practice this with anything. And I'd like to invite you to experiment with this. Have a go at slowing down your eating. What do you notice? Thank you very much and goodbye.